What's up, my loves? It's your girl, Cici Moya. Your girl is looking a mess. I've been so busy this week that I just neglected myself. And today I said, enough is enough. Let's do something to kind of feel good, feel fresh, and just get my act together. Okay, let's just get my act together. So let's do my brows, because this is a mess. We're gonna do our brows. We're gonna do hair. We're gonna do makeup. We're gonna put something cute on, okay? And I think that's about it. My upper lip too. So I'm sipping on some orange juice, some OJ with a little bit of rosé. So it's a kind of remix of a mimosa, if you will. It's pretty tasty, if you ask me. I got some incense burning and I'll have some music playing in the background. So it's time to, relax and feel pretty and just, it's self-care. If you want to see what the end result is, the extreme glow up situation is, please keep on watching. So I'm going in with a brow pencil right before I use a hair removal cream, just to kind of give me a guideline to be as precise as possible. Now, I rarely use a hair removal cream, but this time I said, you know what? My eyebrows are just so thick that I don't want to have to go in one by one plucking every single hair. So this is the fast way. Using a flat brush just makes it even easier to apply the hair removal cream, and following the guidelines that you already set with your eyebrow pencil, it's a breeze. Now be careful so you don't get it in your eyes. I'm going in on my upper lips and also on my sideburns. The sideburns I only have to do maybe every 3 months or so. They don't really grow back that fast, so this doesn't have to be done often at all. Bounce, girl, bounce, bounce, ayy, ayy. I'm using baby wipes to remove the hairs. It helps you grab all the hairs left over, well, all the hairs that you're removing, because the baby wipes have like a thicker fabric, so it makes it easier to do this step. I do have to go in with clippers because I do have some hairs left behind, so let's catch these bad boys. My eyebrow hairs are actually pretty long, so this is a must step for me. I do have to trim them. Welcome to my shower, y'all. So my hair's looking crazy. I have not retexturized my hair in over a year, so you can see all the growth right now. And this is one of my favorite brands for my hair, Tresemme. It's moisturizing. It just works on my hair. This conditioner is life. And you will see how much of it that I use, because my hair just sucks up all the moisture that I give to it. And yeah, I do go in. I know. This product really smooths my hair down, so it's a little easier to detangle my hair. But I'll be honest, this is the part that I will miss less now that my hair is permed. Yes, you heard it. I permed my hair, if you haven't seen that video yet. So please go and check it out right after you finish watching this one. My hair is just so thick and unruly. Ooh, girl. So this treatment is one of my favorite products as well. The essential oils in it are pretty strong, so yeah, take note. I'm going in with an exfoliating glove. This is a full-on skincare, y'all. Now, you can't see it all, so I'll see you in a bit. Now, mixing my shea butter with my argan lotion has been like my power duo lately. It just leaves my skin so soft, silky, and luxurious, honey. This natural deodorant is my choice right after I shave. Okay, now back to the hair. I'm using this coconut oil. It smells pretty strong, but it moisturizes my hair really, really well. This clay mask, y'all, oops. This is just an actual miracle. This stuff works wonders. It's a clay mask, and I mix it, I activate it, I should say, with apple cider vinegar. Ay. When it dries, that's when it's time to rinse it out. This Truth Serum by Ole Henriksen, I think you pronounce it, is a vitamin C serum, and it's great for scars and for, you know, all blemishes. This moisturizing gel, you guys, is my favorite. I will do an updated skincare routine because this is a new discovery, and it's great. It's awesome. Your girl is back from vacation. I got my lashes done. I got a bit of a tan. Your girl was by the pool. Now let's put a cute outfit on. Ooh, let's get it, girl. Going back in with my eye pencil on my brows. If you're a true supporter, you know that I use eye pencils on my eyebrows. I just love the texture. I think it's just perfect. So yeah, that's what I do. And I'm cleaning them up with my concealer. Going underneath my eyes as well to hide these dark circles, honey, because your girl is not 16 anymore. Gotta blend it out. And I'm gonna go over any hyperpigmentation on my face. I'm gonna cover some blemishes, but I'm not going in with any liquid foundation. This is my all-time favorite trick for my foundation. Now, I decided to go even brighter than I usually do, just to, you know, try something new, and yeah, it turned out amazing, if I can say so myself. I'm gonna use this foundation stick. I would say it's a creamy texture. I'm gonna use that as a bronzer, and that shade is gorgeous on my skin tone. If you're my skin tone, try it out and let me know what you think. It blends beautifully. I mean, it's just a great product overall. I will have a detailed foundation routine for you guys, so keep an eye on that. This loose powder is really great. I would say it's comparable to the Laura Mercier powder. Really fine and just beautiful. This pressed powder is a new favorite of mine. It's perfect for my skin tone. The two tones is just genius. I mix the two for my overall face, and then I focus on the darker one to set my bronzer. So setting your bronzer also removes the oily sheen to it. I love this blush. It's so cute and feminine. Going in with a little bit of a highlight, just, you know, to make that skin glow. Now this is another technique that I'm adding to my routine. I'm using a fluffy brush just to go all over my face and kind of blend in my different shades and make it look just flawless. I'm cutting my cheekbones just for fun. I'm using my pressed powder on my eyes, kind of like an eyeshadow. I'm going to be removing the excess powder as well. And I'm using the pressed powder underneath my eyes as well. Again, just like eyeshadow. This skin finish powder, the Sun Power, is pretty red, so I only use it to kind of enhance my cheekbones. I'm using this eyeliner pencil this time around actually for my eyes. And instead of using black, I'm using a brown to soften the look. This setting mist, ooh girl, it's a new addition to my kit. It's awesome. It is so fine and just beautiful, and it makes your skin glow, girl. But it's not gonna look oily. It just melts all the products together and make your makeup look like skin. Using some mascara on my lower eyelashes. The face though, we all make that face. I'm gonna use my foundation stick again, but this time on my lips. And I'm gonna use my favorite lip gloss. I did mention that in a previous video, but I'm gonna apply it using a flat brush because I don't wanna contaminate the color in the bottle. You guys, that's it. I did it all. I am a new person, a new mama. I hope you really enjoyed this pretty long video. I think it's gonna be long because there's a lot of content, but I hope you really enjoyed watching me transform into a mom who takes care of herself, who is ready to mingle, ready to win at life, ready to get her bag, okay? And I hope you like this bang situation, this swoop. I was inspired by Tiara Walker. She does have a recent video on Barbie hair, 90s style, so please comment below. I will see you next time. Remember to stand tall in life and in love. Oh, Ruby's here. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. Does mommy look good?
Yes.
Yeah, do you like my hair?
Yes.
Do you like my earrings?
Yes.
Do you like my outfit?
Yes.
Yay! Am I a good mommy? Am I a cool mommy?
Yes.
Hey, high five. I love you. See you guys next time. Mwah.
One comes around once a day. They don't say things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door.